Thank God that I made it this far. If it wasn't for my driver, then I would've crashed the car. It's the beach boy coming through the city, going hard. I got big money calling, I'm just tryna play it smart. Play it smart, I'm just tryna play it smart. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Novas. Welcome back to another video. This video is just going to be the same as all my other videos, highlights and funny moments. But before I start rolling those, I want to give a big shout out to Beacon. And if you don't know what Beacon is, it's the mic I've been using recently. And what it is an XLR mic thrown into a USB mic. And if you're trying to get into content creation, such as, making YouTube videos and streaming on Twitch, I would highly recommend this mic. This isn't a sponsored video, but I will drop the link to their website in the description. And I'll start rolling those highlights now. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm out. Peace.
Hold on, Grandpa. Shut up.
If I wish I could LD man.
Oh my god!
Bomber!
Oh my god!
Bomber!
Oh my god!
That was strange.
Oh my
That
god!
was so far, bro. What the
Oh my
fuck?
god,
my
Bomber.
God.
He was at dumpsters.
That was
Oh, you
Hey Macklemore, do you want to go script shopping?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Like, people would
Sequel, I'm
literally
gonna-
make fun of
yo,
me because
sequel.
all I play is 4X, but like, I do this on the weekends. Like, Monday through Thursday,
Sequel,
I
let's-
don't touch my computer.
Sequel,
I hit.
let's
okay.
hop-
Shut up, bitch.
I hit.
Okay.
This is sick.
Okay. Don't.
let's hop into a call with I want to see what he's on about right now. I just
Why
want
are
to
you
talk.
5 feet off the ground?
bless you. Bless you.
Are you flirting with my girl?
Yeah.
Crossed the map and he hit the silent shot.
Wow.
What are the odds of that?
It was for 77 meters, and it was like a quad wall bang.
I like Kevin. I want to make him come.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come.
Oh, I hit.
550?
No, it was a 500. It was that one combo though.
I'm gonna be doing the windmill in your bedroom.
I
There's
can't
gonna be a little
wait.
flap on my, bum that's open, and my butt crack.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you definitely clipped that. I guarantee it.
Yeah, this shot for this shot on GD.
The shot right here is for FaZe Banks.
Ow!
On gang.
How did that?
Oh.
You hit him with a
LG hit.
throwing knife. Fuck that. That's
Hey.
dumb.
See, now that shot was on gang.
I almost started
Oh
crying.
fuck! I forgot to take my birth control. Hold up.
Okay. I think it does do that. I don't think I'm gonna fall off. Oh, I hit it.
Oh.
Good shit.
Let's go.
Good shit.
That was sick.
Like, there's a.
Back to back fucking almost hits. You gotta be kidding me.
What did he say today?
So, we were talking.
Give me back my damn Choochie Moochie.
He's gonna get laid by his sister.
Okay. So,
Bed.
can you Jesus Christ.
I'm listening.
Armpits. No?
It wasn't your armpits.
No?
Ow! God damn it.
Okay.
You're better with your eyes closed.
No. Okay. We were talking.
What are you doing?
Tell me this isn't a flex. Like, tell me this literally isn't a fucking flex.
What the fuck?
Like, tell me this is not a fucking flex. I have the SteelSeries Arctis Pro wireless. I have Astros, and I have Astros. Like, come
Hey, Alex, you
fuck
have
me.
2 pairs of Astros on also.
All right.
Just call me Audio Man. The weather.
John Madden. Ooh, the steez on that one.
Can you make a script for me that's a double glide
shoot with no reload, please? I just can't get it down.
Double glide. What?
Double glide, shoot with no reload, please.
Oh, it's not a class change. Never mind.
Reverse reload after too.
Yeah.
Ooh, he did not hit this.
I see. He's going for a clean shot. No way.
That was so
Ooh,
clean.
that was
Just knack,
so
knack, knack.
clean.
No way.
That was sick.
That was sick.
Be with us. You'll be falling in love. California girls were unforgettable. Bikinis on top. Sun-kissed skin so hot. Oh, much your popsicle. Oh.
Well, like when we did Beast, they said that we were the first to do like the 2-day version of it. And
Oh, someone in dim.
Why does this one spin so slow?
Oh shit, that was sick.
tech school that are like taking classes with us, and they're literally so chill, and they tell us what they've been through, and like how their career's been going, and like it's cool. Like I love over.
It is sick hearing shit about that. Like
Okay,
imagine that being
pull up.
derped.
Yo, pull up the BMT like videos, and I'll tell you exactly what.
Like, when are we gonna fuck, bro? Like, just straight up.
Dude.
Tell me about what the fuck you said yesterday, bro.
What?
What did you say yesterday?
What do you mean, what did I say yesterday?
Wasn't that you?
I said what?
About raw dog, chili dog, some shit?
Dude, you got the wrong guy.
Who is it?
It's Patrick.
Oh. No way.
Yeah.
I wanted to be you, though.
Okay.
Damn. I was in here sucking his dick, and y'all come in here, bro. Can I get ops on a shot from like before like I did?
Send me news.
Okay. Ooh, Dom.
This is my first PC. I got a 3070.
I want to see what Dom hit. Dom.
I was going for that, bro.
Dom. Oh my god! If you would have not fucked up, that would have been so sick.
Does he have time for the
No.
Stewie?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Jump off from right there. Jump off from right there. Yeah, you had plenty of time. Terminal. Oh my god.
No, don't talk.
Oh my god.
No,
Scrapyard,
no.
my lord.
Okay,
No,
Scrapyard.
fuck Scrapyard. Fuck Scrapyard. Terminal's better than Scrapyard.
No.
Terminal's better than
didn't do it.
Scrapyard.
Nah, dude. It's really
It
not. You can't
really
get on the
is.
plane.
I can get on the plane.
Where
Watch
did you get on the
this.
plane? Yeah, because you have a fucking $2,000 computer, asshole.
I mean, I've been alive, just not
Barely.
not doing great. Yeah.
No, I just want to suck your penis.
Oh
Fuck
shit!
off.
This kid just hit a two-piece?
Why did you
No
guys say that at
chance.
the same time?
No
did not-
chance.
No chance.
He did.
Oh my
no
God, he
chance.
did.
Oh my
That
god.
was so sick.
Oh, baby, let's go.
Plenty more.
Like when I get into
Smoke
like a squirt gun fight with
love
Ace, I always when I'm like
With
running
Ace?
and when I'm running and reloading at the same
What?
time, I always accidentally Adalia. It's fucking crazy.
You get into a squirt gun fight with Ace, and you accidentally Adalia.
Yeah, while I'm running away from him because I don't want to get wet and I'm reloading.
This is crazy talk.
This is
This is.
My money's up.
Yo,
My
put all your
D-pad
money in the
is
hospital,
scripted
bro.
down, buddy.
My
I don't want to
money
hear
D-pad is
it.
also scripted. Bro, how does this not hit? What came first, the dog or the hot dog? I would
Dog.
hope
That's a
the
good
dog.
question.
Yeah.
That's a good question.
Is that a good question? I don't think it is.
Yeah, I don't think it is either.
Oh, did you just?
No. No,
it is not a good
no,
question.
no. I no. Ross, I just thought about our conversation the other night about Dezo. I just started dying. Dezo, Mommy, I just got home from school. Can I please have your credit card so I can Twitch Prime to my favorite streamer, Dezo? Fucking just like some British kid, bro.
Mummy, I did all my homework, Mummy. Can I please watch Dezo live? He's live on the Twitches.
No, I'm fucking dead, bro. No, that shit is too funny.
Yeah, dude.
Hey,
Oh, the Kaiser does
did he hit the full shot?
He hit that.
Yep.
He did hit the full shot. Maybe I can send that to Dezo's top 100 plays. He sounds like a goddamn British fucking like Young Gravy.
He's not a British engraved.
He talks like this. He's like, "Hello, Sean."
Fucking
No, it's not that. It's not that bad.
No, it's not that deep.
manly.
No, it's not. It's not.
When I capture that for
But
the
you're-
video, should I put
Don't be a
Smacks
fucking
joins the
cunt,
goal
mate.
and then have you say that?
He sounds like a goddamn British fucking like Young Gravy.
He's not a British engraved.
He talks like this. He's like, "Hello, Sean."
Fucking. Hi, Alexi, I
Oh,
guess.
bar hit.
Oh, Smacks at it.
No way, he just had a crane. Oh, okay. What the fuck was that? Oh, what the fuck was that?
That
I was in the
sick,
right
bro.
smacks back in his shit.
Did this kid just hit a fucking...
I think Snaggy might have hit
Crane.
the crane.
Oh.
Oh my god, he did.
Wow.
That was so sick. And he landed back on the crane.
Oh.
Shut up, Blaine. You suck. You smell. Your sister's got a
And,
big
you,
ass
and you're
forehead.
literate.
I hit. It was a 500.
You hit right after he said that.
I know.
So your sister's got a big ass forehead.
I was drunk when I showed up at the wedding, and I was obliterated by the time I left. It was fucking bad. Oh, and they put on frickin' Don't Stop Believin' by Journey, and I was going ham on the dance floor. I did not give 2 fucks about this foot.
Where is he? I'm so confused. Oh wait, you have to press up D-pad to check the map.
Yeah.
Hey! Fuck you, man! He's one
My mama rock star like Van Halen, smoking on Gary Payton. I ain't gon' ventilate it, see y'all gon' ball, but y'all ain't gon' ball like haters. Chains like spaghetti and baguettes, yeah. My bird is like Ed, Ed, and Eddie, yeah.